take 125. Hey citizens, welcome back to Life Was Said. Today's video will be unboxing those new Jordan, take 1000. Hey citizens, welcome back to Life Was Said. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the snakeskin satin Jordan 1s. Is that what they call? Wait, let me time out. Hey citizens, welcome back to Life Was Said. Today's video we will be unboxing the satin snakeskin Jordan 1s. So, my scissors. I'm waiting to get these bad boys in the mail. I had to order them on StockX, of course. StockX needs a sponsor, homegirl right here. StockX. They come in a regular box. I need a sponsor, StockX. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the women's Air Jordan 1s High, the satin snakeskin. I think these released August 6th. And of course I had to pick them up on StockX, so you know you get your StockX sticker. And I'm pretty sure it's a junk man here somewhere too. Oh, these are so nice. And here they are. The Jordan 1 satin snakeskin. And these come with 3 laces, so you get your black laces, and then you get a red pair and a white pair. So what I really like about these snakeskin, it's faux snakeskin, it's not real snakeskin, but they're really, the color block, everybody knows, the Jordan 1 with the color block of the red, white, and black, you can't go wrong with that. That's like the main colorway, and to me it's just fire. With the then with the satin tongue, I don't know, it's just something about them, and I just had to have them. I just had to have them. But these are so fire, and I'm gonna take some mod shots with them. And like I said, you know, I didn't win them on the Nike app or sneaker app or whatever, so my husband ordered them on StockX for me. And I think these retail for I don't know, I think maybe $170, and we paid $288 for them. So not bad. There they are. And I'm gonna do some mod shots on feet, give you a little review. But you know, the silhouette on the Air Jordan 1s is so sleek and girly. You could dress it up. Like right now I have on like a little button down crop shirt, and I have on some black jeans, and we're gonna put these on and see what it do. And I almost forgot to show y'all the StockX verification badge. Yep, so now I'm gonna lace these up and take a couple more shots. Okay, citizens, tell me what y'all think about my Jordan 1 unboxing. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you can be notified and become an official citizen. It's real simple. It's free. Just hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Until next time, Sis signing off. Peace.